Hi everybody, it's Christina Daves with this week's Get Famous Friday PR tip. And what I want you guys to do when you get publicity is make sure you share it with the world. I want you to be your own megaphone. I know that it would be great if the media outlet would just constantly push it out, but they don't. Often they will right at the beginning, but it's really up to you to do that. The mantra in the newsroom used to be, if it bleeds, it leads. And now it's, if it's shareable, it's airable. So I want you to have that shareable, airable content, and it's up to you to share it. And that also puts you in really good favor with the media outlet because they need help getting their message out to the world. You know, we don't sit and watch television like we used to. Not everybody's just constantly reading a magazine or a newspaper. So the more you can share it with your audience, the more the media will love you. And if you like this tip, I have lots more in my free PR challenge at www.yourprchallenge.com. I hope you will join us. I ask for 10 minutes a day for 10 days, and I will teach you how to make yourself and your business more visible. And the more visibility you get, the more potential customers you have, and the more money you make. So it's an awesome challenge. I hope to see you there, and I'll see you next week for the next PR tip.